Today we're going to talk about what happens when you're out in the water and your boat won't crank. So, two most common things that happen when you get back out to your boat and it won't start. First one is, a lot of times people forget to put their boat back in neutral when they turn the boat off, and if it's not in neutral, the boat will not let you start. Okay, so check that first, make sure you're here at that neutral position, give it a little jiggle to make sure it's in the appropriate position, the position sensor isn't reading incorrectly, and go ahead and start the boat. The second thing that happens a lot is people forget that they've taken off their safety lanyard, either to go to a restaurant, take the keys with them, or maybe they accidentally tripped and snagged and pulled this off. Again, the boat will not start if this lanyard is off. It won't even try to crank. So make sure that is positioned correctly. Keeping that kill switch disengaged so that your boat will start right up. If you've tried both of those things and your boat still won't crank and you're hearing some sort of weird noises back there, it could be possible that you might have a bad starter or something else is wrong with the engine. At that point, call your Skiers Marine Service Center and schedule an appointment to get your boat checked out.